Welcome to TechShaba channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a image file to PDF. So this is our image file that we want to convert. Double click to open. Then click the printer option from the top of the left side. Click on it. You can use the another method easy way by click Ctrl and hold, then press P. It will directly go into printing option. Now from here, make sure select Microsoft Print to PDF. You can change the orientation, paper size, photo size, margin, image fittings. Once the settings are done, click on print. Now choose where you want to save the file. Rename as you want. Then click on save. Now close this window. And this is our converted file. Double click to open, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.